Welcome to ISE 2020. You are at the Barco booth. I'm Mehmet Kaya. I'm in sales, control rooms. I will talk about OpSpace. Imagine you are actually in a control room where you have a lot of legacy PCs, you have mouse and keyboards all over. OpSpace is a solution where you will have one keyboard and one mouse that's going to integrate all your PCs. And then you will have one working place where you can have any source at any place at any moment. So the mouse can go over the sources and the screens, and you can do perspectives, layouts. You can open your remote sources. There's virtual desktop integration in OpSpace as well, and we do integrate all kind of sources. The most important thing is latency is fantastic, very low latency. We have great stability, great performance. So for OpSpace is ideal for operators who's working across multiple applications, and it gives them one fantastic working area. All sources are available at any moment, at any place, or at any time, at any size as well. If you want to know more about OpSpace, it's barco.com, control rooms.